Hi guys, this is Ibrahim Khalil from my channel IK Softbd. Hope doing well. In this tutorial, I will show you how to write SQL query for aggregate function, sum, abc, and count. And also, I will show you how to write SQL query for like operator. So let's go to start. I just open Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. As usual, I am going to click new query and select my database, which one testdb, and here I just select 150 for last font. And I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to write SQL select statement. So like select all from employee. So just I'm going to run this query, and here you see the employee table data. Now I'm going to write query for sum function. So select then sum, and which column I want to sum. Here is the only numeric column name is age, so I'm going to write here age, and then write from employee info, and then run. So here is the all column is sum is 468. So in this way you want sum for all data, and if you want for filter, so that's why you have to give conditions. So here I just write where city column name is equal to Dhaka. So I want only Dhaka people is sum. So right click here 237, and that's why now I'm going to show you how to write average function, I mean avg. Then select avg, and also here I'm giving the column name is, because only one column name is here numeric, and then employee, and here you see average 29, all of the data from employee info. And if you want to giving the condition, here you see, and then only Dhaka people 29. So if I'm going to change penny and then 16, so you see here the abc. And now I'm going to show you how to write count function query. Then select count, count, then is column name. Actually for count function we retrieve data for how many data in this table or how many data in this city. So just I'm going to copy then paste. So here first of all I want to all of the data, how many data in employee input table, 16 data, and here also I am giving to ensure you, and here is 16 data. So if I want to only Fanny, so then 5 data, and if I'm giving the name here Dhaka, then 8. So guys, you see here the sum function and abc, I mean average function, and then count function. Now I'm going to show you how to write query for like operator. Then select all from employee info, then giving where condition name, then like, and then I'm going to s, then percentage, and then semicolon. I want to see the data which name begin with S in from employee info table. So I'm going to run this line, and here you see all three data is shown: Sarwar, Shamim and Saiful. And if I want to see the with R, then you see only one, this one Ruben. So guys, you see here about sum function, abc function, count function, and how to work like operator. Guys, if you like this video, please like and share this video, and if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any query, please write in comment box. Bye for now.